restoring my newly thrifted leather purse. So as you can see, it's pretty creased up. The first thing I did was vacuum out any excess crumbs, and then I sprayed it down with an alcohol solution and some Febreze. Then I stuffed it with tissue paper and some old t-shirts in the main compartment, and as you can see, I'm just kind of like molding it so it will really get its shape. And I'm doing the same thing here. And this is how it looks once it's fully stuffed. After that, I put a sheet on top of it and got out my steamer on low and just gently steamed everywhere, making sure not to stay in one spot for too long so it didn't get too hot. Then I'm going to polish it with some leather conditioner. This is my favorite part.